I got back in time and they get some action out here. Southbound Amtrak Texas Eagle 21 leading 59 is gonna go park in the siding. We have a northbound that's going to be on the main line, and expect like an intermodal, something like that, to come by. But either way, this is gonna be really fun here. And yep, there we go. There it comes. Here comes 59. There we go. Alright, there goes the Southbound Amtrak dittmar Road and Austin, Texas, West Park. So, Amtrak has parked in the siding. Northbound train is going to be coming in a little bit. Expect a green light soon. Bye bye.